If your camper's air conditioner is not working, there are several potential causes, including ice buildup in the evaporator coil, dirty air filters, a faulty compressor or motor, a dirty condenser, or dirty evaporator coils. Fortunately, some of these issues can be resolved on your own. To start, if there is ice buildup on the evaporator coil, try switching the fan to high settings to unfreeze it, and use a dehumidifier to remove accumulated moisture. Additionally, open the camper's roof and ventilation for about 20 minutes to let out accumulated humidity or hot air. Cleaning the air filters is also crucial. If your camper's AC uses disposable filters, replace them. But if it uses reusable ones, turn off the AC. Access the filters by removing the rooftop cover and unclipping them. Then vacuum to remove debris. Wash with cold water and detergent or vinegar. Rinse, and let them dry before reassembling and turning the AC back on. By following these steps, you may be able to resolve the issue and get your camper's air conditioner working again.